Alright, good morning everyone, welcome back. Monday morning. We're here at Midrand Primary School in Norrdwyk. And we're going to quickly replace this old Centurion D10 sliding gate motor with a new Centurion D6 Smart. We currently look at it. You can see the gate motor was installed at an angle, so obviously it wasn't upright. And then got some welding to do and cutting. Yeah, stay tuned. Should be a nice installation. Alright guys, this is where we are now. We've removed the old gate motor. Then we saw that the platform was weak. Kept on removing. Another 2 steel base plates later, we finally got to an area where, well, we could weld our steel platform into position. So it's welded great. We've also supported it on the sides here. Obviously we've got an electrical supply cable that we need to watch out for. So if you look at that welding there, not going to go anywhere. Then we've also opened up a slot here for the infrared gate beams that we're going to put on the other side of the gate motor system. We've also welded the steel base plate ears, so they are lacquer in place. We can now quickly check where everything is going to come. Then we can spot weld it and then weld it down. Stay tuned. So sometimes we run out of time. You get stuck on certain aspects which starts delaying you, and then you forget to take pictures and videos. But yeah, so currently the base plate has been welded onto the steel platform. It's been painted. What we've also done is engraving of the serial number onto this gate motor so that you can track it back to its owner. So the serial number is engraved there, and on all of the other possible areas that we can do it. So quickly look in here. Steel nuts and steel bolts all tightened down, spring washers, everything's ready. We're gonna now start welding the steel gate rail onto the steel sliding gate. So we're done welding the steel gate rail onto the steel sliding gate. Just going to quickly show you here. There's some awesome welding there. Remember, pinion gear, steel rack spacing there. There you can see it in the sun. We'll just, and it goes on and on and on and on. Right, time to fit all of the components into the gate motor, and then we can do limits. Alright guys, there you can see all of the internal components have been fitted. We've set the gate limits. We've also painted the steel gate rail. So basically all done. We just need to program the remote transmitters, and then we can do some handover to the client. Lekker. How's it guys? We're done. Let's quickly have a closer view on it. So the startup sections, We've reinforced it with extra steel brackets. This is a very heavy gate. The brackets are 500 millimeters apart. Let's quickly just give it a test run there. You can see that the gate motor is nice and upright and proud. I'll just walk closer, then you can, so that you can listen. That there's no laboring on this gate motor, and it's standing dead still. That's it. We did not switch on positive close mode on this gate. There's no need for it. But guys, if you want your gate motor installed like this, you know what to do by now. Give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. Check out smartgates.co.za before I trip and fall over everything, and check out exquisitesecurity.co.za. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all of the support.